Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Here's our 2025 Porsche 911 Targa 4 GTS. Gorgeous car in ice gray metallic. Nearly brand new, less than 500 miles on it. We have included a Porsche certified pre-owned warranty. We've added that to the balance of the factory warranty. I have a separate video where I video the interior and the operation of the top, both up and down. So take a look for that. Just a really, really nice Targa, great condition. It also has PPF covering the entire front of the car. It covers the whole front clip here, both the full hood and fenders here. It also comes up this leading edge and across that bar as well, that A-pillar. Let's look inside the car. See the black interior, contrasting deviated stitching, and they also have the trim is in the exterior color, so ice gray metallic, 14-way seats. Just a really nice example. If you are looking for a Targa in the new GTS hybrid system, that's what this is. So reach out, Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. My direct number here, 719-219-5016, 719-219-5016. Thanks for watching.